Good morning students. Now you are welcome back to our 9th standard maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.1 fourth sum. Let m parallel to n, that is given m parallel to n, and L is a transversal such that angle 1 is to angle 2 equal to 11 is to 7. Determine all the 8 angles. Now what's the meaning of this question? Here two parallel lines are given and one transversal is given and two angle value is given in ratio 11 is to 7. Determine, we want to find all the 8 angles. Now what is given? Only one condition is given angle 1 is to angle 2 equal to 11 is to 7. Now we can take angle 1 equal to 11x. We are taking here x is from sec of, and angle 2 equal to 7x. Now we know the sum of the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Therefore we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Now we can substitute these values. 11x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. 11 plus 7 18x equal to 180 degree. From this we can find out the value of x. X equal to 180 degree by divided by 18. Now 118 is 18. Here 1 and 0. So x value is 10. From this we can find out the value of what? Angle 1 and angle 2. Now angle 1 equal to, what's the value? 11 into 10 equal to 110. Now angle 2 equal to 7 into 10 equal to 70. Now we want to find the remaining angles, angle 3 and angle 4 angles. Now we can say angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Now how will you say? Vertically opposite angles are equal, therefore angle 4 equal to 70 degree. Now we can find angle 3. How? Angle 3 and 4 are forming straight angle. So from this we can find out angle 3. In the same manner we can do all the other angles. Therefore angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 4 equal to 70 degree, since vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we know angle 3 and 4 form a straight angle. 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. Now from this we can find out the value of what? Angle 3. Angle 4 value is 70 degree equal to 180. Now we can find angle 3 equal to 180 degree minus 70. Angle 3 equal to 110. Now angle 3 equal to angle 5, which are alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. Therefore angle 5 value is what? 110 degree. In the same manner angle 4 equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles are equal. So what is the value of angle 4 is 70 degree. So angle 6 is 70 degree. In the same manner angle 5 is 110 means angle 7 is 110 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Next angle 8 and 6 alternate opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. In the same way we are going to find. Now angle 5 equal to, therefore also angle 4 equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Therefore angle 6 equal to 70 degree. In the same manner angle 7 equal to angle 5. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore angle 7 equal to 110 degree, and last angle 8 equal to angle 6. Therefore angle 8 equal to 70 degree. Vertically opposite angles are. Now we find all the 8 angles. Now tell me, hence the 8 angles are. Hence the 8 angles are 110 degree, 70 degree, 110 degree, 70 degree, 110, 70, 110, 70. This one is angle 1 value, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our angle.